Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So, as expected, we had the pullback for the second move, and we have basically created a higher low, and there it is there. So we pretty much did come back and test the bottom of the channel and tried to break through the channel again to the downside, and we did find some structure to the left, although it wasn't really sort of clear. But for me at the moment, this is the key, 36,251. Need to see us stay above that, and that gives me the confidence that we are moving back to the upside. So start moving down through the time frame that we need to pay attention to today. Nothing really changed on the 3 hour. I just want to fine tune this level because that is our double bottom neckline now, and that's at 36,230. We are grouping the upside of the oscillators again. We do have data coming out as well, and we don't have a crossover the moving averages yet. So still a little bit wary. Personally, I just prefer sort of buying the pullbacks at the moment, but being very cautious about it and being very careful. This is still a big down, big up, big down, big up. So there's still confusion, could still be a range that's going to form as well. And we're just waiting for CPI data today. That's pretty much what it is. If you have a look at the hour, have a look at the moving averages, still in a bearish pattern, grouping of the oscillators to the upside. We have broken the channel, and we are sort of bouncing around on the 155 EMA at the moment. So levels are key at the moment. So this is the first level we're looking for. That's 36,229. I just want to clean up this chart just a little bit. Let's delete that. I can't clean it up too much because everything is fairly relevant. Okay, so first level is 36,229 or 36,230. Then we're looking at 36,121. There is a little bit of a gap here as well. Let's just double check that on the 15-minute. Oh, that gap's closed. There's a little gap there. I don't see anything else that is significant at the moment. So definitely 15-minute is the way to go today again. But you can have a look here. I mean, you can see how we were drifting above pre-market and then slowly slid, and then all of a sudden dropped to the downside, formed a higher low, consolidated, and then the buyer stepped in. So grouping the oscillators, no real level that it bounced off, but the structure is starting to form. So for me, I would suggest 36,120 is the area to pay attention to. I'm not too convinced about this one up here, 36,229. So this is the level I'd be paying attention to, 36,120. But obviously waiting for the data. First get the CPI data out the way. Then we can hopefully get the month off and sort of get cracking on the month. But yeah, patience is still key, guys. Don't rush it. It's, the year is still long. So if you measure your profitability over the year rather than over days and weeks, it's a lot easier and it's a lot less stressful. So anyway, for me, that's the level I'm looking for. I hope it helps, and be patient. We will catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.